On YouTube, Mark Mate here. We are up by Red Rock Canyon right now. We are kind of looking around. Right here, we got the volcano. It's really smoking today. Got a lot of hydrogen sulfide coming out. Smells like rotten eggs. Very smelly, but the volcano. This is part of the volcano right here. It is really smoking today, but we got all the mountains here. Got the river down below. Got looks like a bridge going across there. Right over there, going up that way, is Red Rock. Right there at that little turn. There's a motorcycle. Oh, you guys don't get run over. That water's very hot down there. But anyway, we are just out kind of exploring today, having a good time. So I thought we'd stop and photograph or take a video right here of some of the volcano, Candela volcano. But anyway, we are headed on up the mountain. I figured we'd go ahead and take a video here. So we're going to head on up. We're going to take another video here in a few minutes. Some other areas, show you. So you guys have a nice day.